Hey everyone, Andy Huynh for SOT Productions and TDiSEntertainment, and of course my new channel here. I'm going to show you how I make mac and cheese at home. I usually make it from the box, but I have ingredients here that I can use. So the first thing to do is pour your macaroni, and that's what I did here. Let me show you. It's right here. That's what I did. Then pour in 6 cups of water, like this, and then turn on the heat. And then get your salt, like this, and then pour it in, like that. There we go. So once it's heating up, just cover with a lid, and then wait. Once the heat is, and bubbles are coming here, the bubbles will start to form, and it will start to boil all the macaroni. I'll come back in and then let you know what I have look like. Okay, so I'm mixing it now, and then once it's strained, we can mix all the components together. I'll wait for after the straining. Okay, the macaroni's boiling, so it's time to see what it looks like when it's cooked. Now I'm gonna get my spatula, and then what I do is stir it around, just in case the macaroni pieces get stuck, and mix it all around with spatula. Now I keep it aiming, spinning, and cooking like this, so high temperatures, and this, and this, and this, and this. And then keep sticking it. I stick it and then cook it all the way. I keep it aimed with the spatula, and then I'll let you know what it looks like when strained. Because it's best way to not strain it on my own. This is what the macaroni looks like strained now. Look at this. Perfect. Let's put it back in the pot. So it's time to assemble the mac and cheese. So we're going to apply some techniques and form it together. So first things first, I'm going to tear open this, and then we're going to put it together. Okay, time to put this together. This is some cheese sauce packets. I'm going to put it in the pot first. Then I'll come back to this later. Okay, once the cheese sauce packet is put in, then use butter to ensure that this can stick. Perfect. And once the butter is in, we can add the milk. Okay, butter in. It's time to add the milk. There we go. Now we're gonna let this heat up, and then do this all the way. Okay, here we go, everyone. It's starting to mix together, and then it's starting to mix. And then once it's starting to mix together, you're going to see what it looks like in a few minutes. Yes. Mixing all together the ingredients will show you what it looks like a few minutes later. So I'll be right back. Once mixed together, it will look something like this. Perfectly great mac and cheese that I make. So all you need to do is serve a bowl and then eat it up. And that's it. Okay guys, I hope you saw my mac and cheese video. I hope you know that it tastes great and it's good. You'll need is some milk, some butter, and a box mac and cheese. So anyway, that's how I make mac and cheese. But I'll see you next time for another video on Andrew Huynh, non-SOT TDiS. Thank you all for watching. And also, you want to see my channel, knows, I'll pop into it, you want to see it. See you next time, everyone.